generated from inherited excellence. Quality, sustaining through age via innovation. Amico is located in the north area of modern industrial park of Chengdu, a cultural and historical city and the industrial center of Western China. Based on 20,000 square meters workshop, the company is dedicated in research, development, and production of gaseous fueled power equipment, including gas power units and gas generator sets. With the contribution of hundreds of talented engineers, Amico has accumulated honor and faithfulness from its customers. As the only domestic supplier of natural gas gensets as primary power for oil platforms, Amico Model 1000 kilowatt and plus natural gas genset series occupies 70% of the market share in China oil drilling industry. The company is ISO 9001-2008 qualified and listed as high-tech enterprise of Sichuan province, and is a contractor of National 863 projects for the design and development of advanced natural gas engine platform. The company is also a drafter of China national standards for natural gas engines of industry. For a long time, the company adheres to the tenet of business devotion, pursuing excellence, creating value, green development, and harmonious coexistence. Amico supplies customer-safe and reliable energy equipment and offers friendly, professional, and efficient service. The company is committed to protecting and improving the environment. The gas generator and gas power sets are mainly used in Xinjiang and Inner Mongolia oil fields, providing primary and standby power for drilling platforms instead of the original diesel power. Amico is the first domestic manufacturer to supply primary power for oil field electric drilling machines. The Model 1000 kilowatt and plus gas generator sets are independently designed and developed by Amico. Applying lean burn technology and 100% self-adaptive control algorithm, the gas generator sets have a wide range of applications such as oil and gas industry, coal mines, landfills, farm biogas power generation projects, and other civilian sectors, and have high flexibility in fuel choices including natural gas, liquefied petroleum gas, associated gas of oil field, coal bed gas, biogas, etc. At present, the company has certified 30 kilowatt up to 1000 kilowatt power range, in which Model 750 kilowatt and Model 1000 kilowatt are the only two domestic products meeting the high dynamic response requirements for electric drill machines. By optimizing the design and flexible control, the gas power units are suitable for variable operation conditions and protect load equipment from sudden electric shock. They have compact structure, easy maintenance, high performance, high reliability, practical and economical features. The gas power units assort a gearbox with function of flexibility, buffer, and clutch, and according to user needs, match the ideal gear ratio to make the unit meet the load requirements in terms of output speed and output torque. They can realize the function of automatic or manual speed control, remote control, and automatic protection. They are ideal energy-saving and environmental protection servo devices for pumps, pumping units, gas compressors, and other equipment. Meanwhile, they have entire speed control for speed and load emission reduction policy, gas power industry is leaping forward into its golden age. Amico is ready to devote its wisdom and sweat to write a magnificent chapter for clean power industry and make our due contribution for Chinese high-tech manufacturing industry.